Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk, and in this video I'm looking at the ordinary Squalane serum, which I mainly bought because I want to get rid of the dryness on my skin. Now, before I bought the Squalane serum, I didn't really find a way on how I could make the dryness stop and get a smoother skin so that the makeup application later on would also be easier, as I'm a makeup artist. And I tried to change the moisturizer to a richer moisturizer in combination also with some of the ordinary products, which didn't work out for me as it broke me out quite a lot, which was really annoying, and my skin is still healing from it. But I also reached out to the Ordinary team and asked them if there is a chance, if they have a product that they can recommend me to get rid of the dryness, because it was quite annoying. And so this is when they recommended me using the Squalane serum, as this one is basically used as a hydrator for the skin. Now, before I'm going into the application, I just wanted to share some basic information with you, what it is and how you should use it. And it is the Ordinary 100% plant-derived Squalane serum, which is a lightweight solution that supports healthy hydration. And it's also good for all skin types. And the main concern is if you have dryness. This is why they recommended it to me. And it's an exceptional hydrator that can prevent ongoing loss of hydration. Now, how should you use it? Apply a few drops daily or as needed to the entire face, ideally after water-based treatments. So this is what I basically did. And I've used it for quite some time, and I can already tell you that you don't have to use a lot, as it is also quite, not really oily, but it has an oily texture, which I personally don't mind as it feels good on the skin. And this is also what it looks like with the pipette, and I basically used a bit of it, not too much, so you definitely can come with the product for quite some time. And because it has an oily texture, I like to use only 2 drops and then pat it all over my face. So make sure that you also have washed your face, cleansed your face before using any of the products. So, and then this much is already enough to apply all over the whole face, and I definitely can feel that my face later on feels a bit smoother. And I also can tell you that if you want to notice a difference, you have to use it for some time. You will notice the feeling directly that it feels a bit smoother, but to really get the benefit out of it, that dryness will disappear, that it will be less. I definitely noticed that it would improve the dryness, making it less dry on my skin, but it also takes time until you will notice the major difference. And so once you have applied it, I also definitely would recommend you finishing it off with a moisturizer so that everything is locked in. And so once you have applied the moisturizer, then everything is locked in, which is also what you want to get. Now, you either can use those two together, basically the Squalane serum and a moisturizer that suits your skin type or that you have at home that you really love. Make sure that you're also using those two carefully if you want to try it with a new product, because it can happen that those two do not really work with another, as this has happened to me with the richer moisturizer. Now, I also would like to share some, a basic example of a skincare regimen on how you could imagine using it. Now, the way I use it also with different products was basically in the evening. And so this is what it would look like. I would wash my face, then using the hyaluronic acid as the first step, then the mandelic acid, and then the Squalane serum, and finishing it off with a moisturizer. Now, keep in mind that the Squalane serum is a hydrator. It's not a moisturizer. You still need to lock it in with a moisturizer that's suitable for your skin type to make sure that you'll really get the best benefit out of it. Now, for me, I can say it did work. My skin feels less dry. Sometimes I still suffer a bit of dryness, but it definitely has improved. And it feels less tight around my face, and makeup applies also better on top. The only thing that I noticed is that if you don't like the feeling of a little bit more of an oily texture, then this might be not for you. But I personally don't mind, and it also sinks in beautifully into my skin. Now, this is basically what I wanted to share with you. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well as share it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!